Taking off now. I'm about there by the field. Here we go. Yeah? It's pumping. My recorder just shit out on me.
What's that?
My recorder, I just heard it turn off. Well, whatever. I guess I could try to charge it. I haven't charged it in a while.
Yeah, I'm not sure how long mine's going to last. We tried for about an hour this morning. It was a secondary thought.
What happened?
I just put it in.
Uh-oh.
And I saw foam come flying off.
That's not good.
Yeah, I used to average about 10 minutes for a battery. Now they're averaging about 6. Thing is humming along. Is it alright? Uh-oh. Oh.
Repairable?
I think it's repairable.
What happened? You just caught some wind?
I was down low screwing around and the wind got me. My buddy sent me this video of an actual pilot in a real airplane. As part of his airshow routine, he drags one wingtip along the ground and picks things up like bed sheets.
Holy shit, yeah, wow.
Streamers, flags, so I was trying to work towards that end state because I told him, I'm like, oh, I can do that shit, that's easy.
Oh, damn. That's awesome.
What are you guys laughing at in here? You need to put the lid on that water right now. Both of your waters.
See, I want to get this stuff on the A6. I'm gonna bring it in.
Looks good. That new kit doesn't have as much wing flex.
Well, yeah, that was the whole point. Was trying to get it, get it to the point where it could fly now again, right? I could barely even do a barrel roll last time, if you remember.
Coming in hot.
Let's see.
Nice, dude. That was perfect.
I got the landing down.
That thing stopped in like 5 feet.